Aviation Basics Module 2 Airport Codes and Other Basics of Aviation. The phonetic alphabet is commonly used in airport positions as it helps us communicate different words or phrases to coworkers, pilots, or other airport staff. The phonetic alphabet assigns a word to each letter of the alphabet so that you can easily converse what you are trying to spell out. We use the phonetic alphabet when communicating different words, codes, or phrases with other employees. For example, if you needed to communicate Strategic Aviation's corporate postal code, V1V 2Y8, you would say Victor 1 Victor 2 Yankee 8. There are many different city airport codes that we encounter on a daily basis at Strategic Aviation. Each code stands for a different city. For example, YLW stands for Kelowna, whereas YHZ stands for Halifax Airport. With so many codes, you may be wondering, do I need to remember all of these? The answer is no. Each baggage tag has the city name written in small letters above the airport code, as shown in the image. You may find it easier to learn the codes so that you can know where the bag is going with a simple glance, but this is not required. You will likely also find that over time you just recognize the codes and know where the bag is going instantly. There are some other common definitions that you may run into on the job. Hub and spoke is one of them. The hub and spoke system is how planes move from one airline to another. A hub is a central airport that flights are routed through, like Vancouver, whereas spokes are the routes that planes take out of the hub airport. Human factors are human characteristics, environmental factors, and job factors that can influence behavior at work. This can include anything from stress, fatigue, lack of knowledge, complacency, loss of awareness, or other factors that can affect your work. It is important to recognize when a human factor may be inhibiting your ability to work and talk with your manager to get some help in recovering or resolving this factor. Another common term you will encounter is ramp. The ramp is sometimes known as the airport apron or tarmac. This is used for the servicing of aircrafts. If you are a GSA, you will often be working on the ramp. Load sheets are also commonly spoken of on the job. A load sheet provides a summary of how many bags, passengers, and weight is going on the plane. This document is very important to help pilots calculate how they will need to take off, so it's important that it is filled out properly. A head start is what we call the first flight of the day. J-class refers to business class seats on an airplane, whereas Y-class is an economy seat. In this module, you learned about the phonetic alphabet and common airport city codes. You also learned some additional definitions that will come in handy when you are on the ramp. You will now take a short quiz to confirm your knowledge of this module.